Hola YouTubers! Welcome to my channel The Cultured Linguist. In today's video, we are going to learn about the articles in Spanish. There are two types of articles. Los artículos definidos means the definite articles, and los artículos indefinidos means the indefinite articles. To learn any foreign language effectively, one must start from learning the articles well. We shall first begin with understanding what are the articles and when do we use it in English. Later, we will understand the same in Spanish. Let's begin with the definite articles in English. As we know, the is considered as a definite article and a or an is the indefinite article in English. Now let's take a look at where to use them. When someone says to you, "Give me a book," you think, which book? It's not specific, it's very general and you don't know which book the person needs. So you will use an indefinite article, a book. Let's see how to use the definite article, the. When someone says, "Give me the Spanish book," now you know which book exactly she needs. She needs the Spanish book specifically. Hence now you know when you talk about something very specific, you must use the definite article, the. In this case, the book. Okay, so how do we use these in Spanish? Let's begin with the definite articles in Spanish. Los artículos definidos. The article depends on the noun, whether the noun is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. There are 4 definite articles in Spanish. For masculine singular we use el. For masculine plural we use los. For feminine singular we use la. For feminine plural we use las. Let's understand these articles with the help of examples. For masculine singular, let's take the word libro. Libro means a book. And the gender of libro is masculine, so we will say el libro. If we want to say the books in plural, we will use the article los libros. Likewise, for feminine singular, let's take the word casa. Casa means house. House is feminine gender, hence we use la casa, the house. For plural, as in the houses, we will use las casas. So what do we understand from this? Depending on what gender our noun is, we will accordingly use the articles. Let's move on to the indefinite articles in Spanish. Los artículos indefinidos. Same as the definite articles, we have 4 different indefinite articles in Spanish. What are they? For masculine singular, it's un. Masculine plural, unos. Feminine singular, una. Feminine plural, unas. Let's understand the indefinite articles with examples. For masculine singular, let's take a word árbol, which means a tree. Un árbol, a tree, because it's masculine noun. For masculine plural, unos árboles means some trees. For feminine singular, let's take the example of mesa, which means table. So we say una mesa, a table. For feminine plural, it will be unas mesas, means some tables. So these were los artículos definidos y indefinidos. Let's take one final look at them before doing an activity. Los artículos definidos. El, los, la, las. Los artículos indefinidos. Un, unos, una, unas. The question that must have crossed your mind is, how do we know the genders of the nouns? Because we all know that in English, the non-living things have got no gender, they are all neutral. Well, to know some easy way for identification of the gender of the nouns in Spanish, I will be posting another video very soon. So subscribe the channel if you still haven't and press on the bell icon for notifications of new video uploads. Alright, let's do an activity now. You will see a word on the screen. Identify the correct artículos for that noun. You can either use definidos or indefinidos. Ready? Let's take a look at our first word. Botella means a bottle and the gender is feminine singular. Did you say una or la botella? Alright, next word is bolígrafo, means a pen, and the gender is masculine singular. Did you say un or el bolígrafo? That's right. One last word, fresas means strawberries. The gender is feminine plural. Did you say unas or las fresas? You did so well. I hope you have understood the Spanish articles clearly. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.